Hello students, this is Supriya Mogle, Assistant Professor at Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. I am here to discuss about successful entrepreneurs. We are going to study another story of successful entrepreneur. In the previous video, we have studied the story of Dhirubhai Ambani, and in this video, we are going to study the story of Aditya Birla. So, Aditya Birla was born in 1944 in the formidable business family of Birlas. He is the grandson of legendary G.D. Birla, who was one of the India's most outstanding industrialists and founder of the vast Birla industrial empire. He completed his formal education, graduating in science from St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. He secured a degree in chemical engineering from Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Boston. Then beginning. After completing his education in abroad, Aditya Birla came back to India in 1965. He entered into the world of business and industry, with most of his ventures leading either to successful expansion or profitable turnover. So his premium venture was the Eastern Spinning Mills in Kolkata. He puts the sinking rayon and textile business back on track and registered handsome profit. He made the expansion of Hindustan Gas. He dared to dream of setting up the global business empire at the age of 24. Then growth. After the death of G.D. Birla in 1983, over the next 12 years, Aditya Birla expanded the Birla Empire, making it one of the India's largest business conglomerates and himself becoming one of the India's foremost businessmen. He made overseas industrial joint venture in Thailand, Indonesia, the Philippines and Malaysia. He was the largest multinational company set by a resident Indian industrialist. He was also on the post of Director of Central Bank of India and Air India. Then under his leadership, his companies attained the position as the world's largest producer in viscose staple fiber. So viscose is a type of rayon fiber that is made from natural sources such as wood and agricultural products, and that is regenerated as a cellulose fiber. So this is the picture of that fiber. Then the largest refiner of palm oil, and the third largest producer of insulator. So insulator means it is a material whose internal electric charges do not flow freely. It is very little electric current will flow through it under the influence of an electric field. So the sixth largest producer of carbon black also. In India, they acquired the status of the largest single producer of viscose filament yarn, apart from being a producer of cement, grey cement and rayon grade pulp. Then Aditya Birla Group is also the largest producer of aluminium in the private sector, the lowest first cost producer in the world, and only producer of linen in the textile industry in India. He passed away When he passed away, the group's revenue crossed rupees 8,000 crore globally, with assets of over rupees 9,000 crore, comprising of 55 benchmark quality plants and employee strengths of 75,000 and a shareholder community of 6 lakh. So this was the story about Aditya Vikram Birla. We are finishing the video by having this one quote which is written by Aditya Vikram Birla. He said that the most important lesson in management is major investment should be made in the selection, training and building up of people. So here I complete my video. I hope you understood the story of Aditya Vikram Birla. So thank you so much.